Welcome back, box breakers and pack rippers. We have our recap video for our 1993 Fleer Ultra Series 2 box number 2 recap video. So if you didn't see box number 1, you will realize why we were just doing the recap and not showing the actual pack rips. And the reason why is that for some reason this series, 93 Fleer Ultra, they like to stick together, and sometimes when you pull them apart they stick to each other and destroy the card. So this box was a little bit better than the first box. This one was factory sealed. The other one had the factory seal around it, but it had been like broke or cracked or ripped or something. So anyway, these were a little bit better, but not a lot better. And so anyway, we went ahead and just broke them all apart, and I'm going to show you the highlights here now. So without further ado, get our little stage up here. Ta-da! Alright, box number 2, as you can see. So we've got checklist, and I thought this was cool. You can see the guy on the checklist. There's the guy, Ray Sanchez. Okay. There he is again. There's another checklist. Let's see. Let's save our inserts for the last. Let's save the inserts. Alright. We'll jump to Hall of Famers. So we've got Barry Bond for Hall of Famer, Andre Dawson, Kirk Gibson, Mark McGuire, Carlton Fisk, Paul Hall Molitor, Ryan Sandberg, Griffey. We got follow through. Wade Boggs, Boggsy, Jeff Bagwell, Bagpipes, Greg Maddux, Johnny Smoltz, throwing heat, throwing junk, Robert Alomar Jr. or Robert Alomar, Hall of Famer. Bo Jackson, don't think he's in the Hall, but we put him in the Hall of Fame pile anyway. Roger Clemens, I don't think he's in the Hall yet either. Dave Winfield is. Here's another Dave Winfield. Got 2 of those. Okay. This guy. I think he's in the Hall of Fame. Just kidding. Tony Gwynn, Hall of Famer. I don't think Jose has made the Hall quite yet. But we got 3 of him. Yeah, so this is the other notable stars. Doc Gooden, Big Cat, Joey Bell, Kenny Lofton, David Justice, Robert Ventura, The Straw, 3 straws, Paul O'Neill, Kurt Schilling, David Cohn, Tino Martinez, Vince Coleman, number 3 all-time stolen base leader, Jimmy Key. Alright, and now we are into the notable rookies, sorta. Anyway, rookies. Raul Mondesi, Cliff Floyd, Vinny Castilla, Rich Venturina, Bobby Munoz, Benji Gill, JT Snow, Rondell White. It's a cool shot of Rondell. Tim Salmon, Jeff Conine, rookie. That's pretty cool. Al Martin, and Manny Ramirez, rookie card. 2 of those. It's always cool. And 2 Trevor Hoffmans, I believe. Yeah. I don't know if that card got messed up right there. You see that? But anyway, I got a couple other ones that I think would be a 10 for Hoffman. So that's pretty cool. And Mike Lansing, 2 of those as well. Jim Edmonds, 2 of those. And our final rookie, Kevin Young. Looks like he's coming around third base. Coming around third base 3 times. That concludes our box 2. No, it doesn't. Hang on. I forgot the most important. Not the checklist, but our inserts. Okay, what did we get for inserts? We got Darren Dalton. Nobody cares. Brian Sandberg. That's a cool one. Will Clark. And Barry Larkin. Another Hall of Famer. So those were good. And then for the rookie inserts, we have this guy. Rene Orocha? I don't know. Anyway, cool card. Jeff Conine. That's nice. And then for our strikeout king, we got John Smoltz, which I think we had him in the box 1 along with Randy Johnson. And then we got 2 of the Dennis Eckersley highlight cards. So we got Cleveland and Oakland, which I think Oakland is number 1. Yeah, we'd already had that. We got some cool shots of Eckersley before he had his mustache. Check him out, young Eckersley. Anyway, thought that was pretty cool. So the odds on the insert, I don't think they have odds on these. These are just randomly inserted. So usually one or two a box is what I've seen for the Eckersley cards. So that's cool. These are 1 in 9 packs. These All-Star cards, which makes sense why we have 4. The rookies are 1 in 18, which makes sense why we have 2. And the Strikeout Kings is 1 in 37, which makes sense why we have 1. So those are perfect odds on those. Those are exactly the way it's supposed to break down, but it doesn't always do it that way. Sometimes you can get luckier, like box 1, we got 2 of the Strikeout Kings. So I think box 1 was probably luckier of the 2 boxes, but still pretty good. Some of these look like they would be 10s. And so, anyway, I don't know. We may pick 1 or 2 out of here and send them in. I'm not sure. We're going to be sending some cards in to get graded. And so, once we get any of those back, I'll definitely be doing a video to let you know how those turned out. And that concludes box 2. Stay tuned for box number 3 recap video. We'll do a very similar setup, and we'll run through that here in just a little bit. So look out for that video. 1993 Fleer Ultra Series 2. This was box number 2, and box number 3 coming at you next. Stay tuned. Thanks. Love you.